students. Today's session we are going to see preparation of amines. Okay, the first method, reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction means it undergoes reduction reactions with suitable reducing agents. Okay, so addition of hydrogen. Okay, for example, alkyl nitro, right? For example, CH3 NO2. Okay, so alkyl nitro group and aryl nitro group in presence of, right, 6H. Okay, a suitable reducing agent like nickel in the presence of ethanol. So this particular nitro group it converted to give CH3 NH2 amine, methanamine plus 2H2O. For 2 2s are 4H2, 4 hydrogen plus here 2 hydrogen, 4 plus 2, 6 hydrogen. Okay, because of for addition of hydrogen. Reduction means with suitable catalyst in presence of addition of hydrogen. Okay, so this is for alkyl nitro group in the presence of suitable reducing agent, it gives alkyl amine. Okay, right, primary amine. This is what primary amine. Okay, suppose aryl nitro group in the presence of suitable reducing agent like SnHCl. Okay, for Fe or HCl. Okay, so Sn, tin with HCl or ferric chloride, sir, it produce ferric chloride, so it is initiator for the nitro compound to amine. Okay, so we can get CH2NH2 plus 2H2O. Okay, so what are the reducing agents we are using? Reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride and hydrogenation with nickel or platinum palladium, and here tin with HCl in the presence of ethanol solution. Okay, so these are the reducing agents we are using. Okay, right. So here this is reduction of nitro compounds. Okay, second one, reduction of nitriles from nitriles. So nitriles is nothing but cyanides. Okay, cyanide, the functional group is CN. Okay, functional group is CN. Okay, right. So here alkyl cyanide in the presence of suitable reducing agent like H2 or nickel, sodium with ethanolic solution, ethanol or C2H5OH. Okay, so this cyano group it converted into amine group or NH2 or CH2NH2. Okay, this is primary amine. Okay, so suppose aryl cyanide in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, suitable reducing agent. So this cyanide group it converted to give amine, CH2NH2. Okay, right. So this is your from nitriles. Okay, right. The third one is from amide. So amide, what is the functional group? Reduction of amide, functional group is C double bond O NH2. This is amide functional group. Okay, right. So alkyl amide or C double bond O NH2 in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. So water, removal of water molecule. So we can get primary amine. RCH2 NH2. We can get primary amine. This is your primary amine. Okay. So these are the reactions: reduction of nitro compounds and reduction of nitriles, reduction of amide. So it is very easy. Only this particular nitro compound, in the presence of suitable reducing agent, it convert to give the amines. Okay. Both alkyl and aryl nitro compounds. So here nitriles means it is a cyanide. Cyanide, it in the presence of suitable reducing agent like dihydrogen with nickel or sodium with ethanolic solutions, this cyano group it converted to give the amine group. Okay, and amide also, this presence of this amide, so in the presence of suitable reducing agent, it gives primary amine. So these are the primary amine preparations for primary amines. Another one method, that is phthalimide synthesis. Okay, so phthalimide synthesis. Okay, the fourth one is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Okay, so this reactions, it is a one naming reactions. We cannot change anything because from phthalimide we can get primary amine. Okay, so this method only suitable for primary alkyl primary amine, not for aryl amine, because of the haloarenes, it do not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so keep it in that. So now let me take phthalimide. This is structure for phthalimide. Okay, C double bond O, here C double bond O, this NH. This is your phthalimide. Okay, so this phthalimide react with ethanol with KOH, ethanolic KOH. Okay, aqueous medium of ethanolic KOH. Okay, so here this ethanolic KOH, this hydrogen and this OH, removal of water. Okay, H2O. Okay, so what do you get? So this potassium come and add potassium phthalimide. Okay, so C double bond O, and here C double bond O, here N K. Okay, so this is minus, this is positive. Okay, so this K, this is K. Okay, so this is potassium phthalimide. Okay, so this potassium phthalimide react with alkyl halide. Okay, so this potassium and this halogen, it undergoes KX, potassium halide. Okay, so minus KX, potassium halide. This R group come and add here, because of this is nitrophile pair of electron, so it is a deficient one. We can get alkyl N-alkyl phthalimide. Okay, this is step by step reaction. C double bond O and C double bond O. This is N and R. Okay, this is your alkyl with N-alkyl phthalimide. N-alkyl phthalimide. Okay, so this N-alkyl phthalimide react with excess of sodium hydroxide. Okay, excess of sodium hydroxide in the aqueous medium or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. So the whole alkyl phthalimide, it converted into alkyl amine first, or NH2 alkyl amine plus intermediate product like sodium phthalimide salt, COO Na plus, COO Na plus. So this is primary amine from phthalimide. Okay, so Gabriel phthalimide reaction only suitable for preparation of alkyl amine, not for aryl amine. Okay, right. The fifth one is another one naming reaction, that is Hoffman bromamide reaction. Hoffman bromamide reaction. okay, because the reaction it takes place with bromine, okay. So this is nothing but degradation method, okay, right. So take amide or CONH2. This is your alkyl amide. CONH2 is functional group for amide. So alkyl group is attached with this amide, alkyl amide, in the presence of bromine with sodium hydroxide, okay. So here this amide group, the CO is lesser carbon atom. This R migrate to give RNH2. This is primary amine, okay. So primary amine. So here this is one carbon atom less compared to the amide, okay. Amide, this CO carbonyl group is present. Here it is lesser. This R group is migrate. So that's why this reaction it is called degradation. Degradation means the earlier product, the carbonyl group is there. Again we can get the product for amine. So this one, the carbon atom would be less, okay. So that is, this method is degradation method, and the reaction with bromination, so it is a Hofmann bromamide reaction, okay. So plus amide plus Na2CO3 plus 2NaBr plus 2H2O, okay, 2H2O. Suppose aryl amide CONH2 aryl amide, the same bromine with now KOH. This is sodium hydroxide. This is another one KOH base. So we can get same aryl amine NH2 aniline aryl amine plus K2CO3 plus 2KBr plus 2H2O, okay. This is your Hofmann bromamide reaction, okay. The sixth one is ammonolysis, okay. So students, the last one is ammonolysis of alkyl halide. So what do you mean ammonolysis? Alkyl or benzyl halide and reaction with an ethanolic solution of ammonia, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. So the bond cleavage, okay, here this is a amine like ammonia with alkyl halide, okay. So this is CX, carbon chloride or carbon halide, okay, CCl bond or CBr bond, okay. So this every time this is a nucleophile. Nucleophile means donate the pair of electron to the deficient, okay. So here this nucleophile go and attack this the CCl bond. Every time the X is replaced by ammonia, the bond cleaved, that is called, this process is called ammonolysis, okay. So here you see that, okay. So HX, removal of HX plus RNH2, okay. So this is primary amine. Take this primary amine, again alkyl halide. So every time this the amine group is attached to here, every time this HX is removal, okay, hydrogen halide HX is removal, we can get primary, secondary and tertiary amine R2NH. So now R2NH with alkyl halide, this bond cleaved, so HX is removed, R3N, okay. So this is your primary, secondary, tertiary. So R3N plus alkyl halide, so the same R4, here N plus X minus. This is quaternary ammonium salt, okay, quaternary ammonium salt, okay. So this quaternary ammonium salt N plus X minus In the presence of strong base, it converted to give amine plus H2O plus Na plus X minus. Okay. So this method only, it is a disadvantages of yielding of a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. Okay. So this is a poor yield only we can get for this ammonolysis method. Okay. Suppose the primary amine, the major product we can get, the excess of ammonia we should use, that time we will get the primary amine. Okay. This is your last preparation of amine. Okay, right, ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Okay.